Have you tried Fooocus AI? If you're looking to create a virtual influencer, change their clothes, or switch up their hairstyle, or if you're facing any issues with Fooocus AI, follow this tutorial. Defooocus is an enhanced fork of Foocus AI that brings you more tools and features. The link is in the description below. Beware of those fake websites and use the official source. Depending on your computer, you can install it locally on your computer or run it on Google Colab. Click here to install Defooocus on Windows. Go to the latest stable version and download the zip file. Unzip the file and follow the provided installation instructions. If you prefer to use Google Colab, press Open in Colab. You can save the notebook to your Google Drive for easy access later, and run it directly from your drive anytime you want. You can choose between dark or light theme for your user interface. Also, you can select a special preset from the list provided, or choose it later directly in the interface. According to my experience, if you want to use a specific preset in Colab, select it before running the notebook. Sometimes changing the preset after running the interface can cause errors. Click the Run button. Wait for the processing to complete, then click on Running on public URL part. Just like Fooocus, Defooocus offers various settings for image generation. We have Photopea, an online image editor that's like a light version of Photoshop. It's perfect for quick image editing. When you want to use a source image and need to remove its background, you can simply do it here. To generate images, add a text prompt. Be detailed, describe your character, including their expression, hairstyle, hair color, clothes, background, and other elements. You can emphasize different parts of your prompt by adjusting their weight. Just hold the Control key and press the up or down arrow keys to increase or decrease the weight, but be careful, don't use high values. I personally don't use LoRa and prefer to disable styles for better output. From here, you can choose different presets to create images of different types, such as anime or more. Adjusting the performance settings affects the generation steps. Fewer steps mean less detail, so find the right balance for your needs. Choosing the correct aspect ratio is important, especially for full body shots. Make sure you select the proper aspect ratio to avoid cropping important parts of your image. You can create multiple images and select the best result. Once you're ready, press the Generate button. If you need to edit specific parts of your image, such as the face, eyes, or hair, use the In Paint section. Drag your image in, select the Improve Details method, and specify what you want to change. Use the Brush tool to mask the area you want to edit. No need for a prompt in this box. Remember, selecting the entire face can change the overall look, so it's better to work part by part. Click on History Log. Here, you can see your generation details, such as seed number. Save this information, it can be helpful for future projects. You can change hairstyle or hair color with text prompt or source image. I want to change the hair of the left image using hair from the right image. First, upload the image you want to change its hair in the In Paint section. Use the Shift key and scroll wheel to zoom in or out, and mask the hair area. Make sure to only mask the hair. Depending on your desired model, you may need to mask additional parts, but avoid masking extra areas if you don't need to do this. It can change the image. Next, choose the In Paint or Out Paint method. Now, upload the image you want to use its hair in the Image Prompts section. Select Image Prompt, and adjust the stop at and wait parameters. I change these based on my experience, but feel free to experiment with different values to see what works best for you. In the last step, go to Advanced tab. Click on Control tab. Select Mixing Image Prompt and In Paint. Press the Generate button. Create multiple images to find the best one that matches with source image. I'll show you how to change the clothes of the left image using the right image. With source image you get a similar result, but sometimes not exactly the same. First, upload the image you want to change its clothes in the In Paint section. mask the current clothes, and if necessary, mask any additional parts based on the new clothes. Next, upload the image with the desired clothes in the image prompt section. If the source image has a colorful background, it's better to remove the background first. Select Image Prompt, and adjust the stop at and wait parameters as we did in the previous section. Choose the In Paint or Out Paint method. Now, go to the Advanced tab, then the Control tab, and select Mixing Image Prompt and In Paint. If you need to remove the background of your image, simply upload it here and press Remove Background. Then, upload the result in the Image Prompt section. While using a source image, you can get similar results. It may not be an exact match every time. Experiment and see what works best for your work. If you prefer to change clothes using a text prompt, switch to the Modify Content method. Describe the clothes in detail and adjust the weight for specific parts as needed. We don't need extra prompt here. You can search on Google for stable diffusion clothes to see some examples. Don't forget to disable Mixing Image Prompt and in Paint when using the text prompt method. Let me know in the comment, you prefer to use Foocus AI or Defooocus AI. If the video was helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.